Now I am coming back to this part and replacing this null with logger.d and a text of registration successful. A question may pop into your mind here. What if we have an error? In such a case, you can obviously use the try-catch statement to detect the error, but hey, let's go beyond that, shall we? If you have an error, put a dot here, and it will show you many options. The option I am gonna be using is the onError function, and I'm just gonna convert it to a block function and add semicolons. And here, whatever error we will be having, it will be stored in the error variable. So first, I'm gonna type logger.d registration error here, and then print the error variable. We don't need to change the isSignedIn variable here, as whenever we sign in or sign out, the isLoggedIn function will automatically detect it and change the value accordingly. Now, when we generally have an error, we need to show it to the user, right? Let's say that the user's password is too short or the account is already registered. So to help them in solving the problem, we should show them the error. We can definitely create some custom error checking codes, but since Firebase shows us errors from their site, it's more convenient for us to show these errors directly from Firebase to the users. This way, this course is shorter and to the point. And in order to show the errors to the user, we need a dialog box. So let's head over to the components file and create a function called dialog box over here. You can ignore the spelling. It will accept the build context and the string title. Then it will return the show dialog widget that is exactly the same as the one we created in the portfolio module. Within it, we will pass the context, and in the builder property, we will return an alert dialog widget. In the actions alignment, we can write main axis alignment .center, and the content padding will be edge insets.all set to 32.0. The shape will be set as rounded rectangle border, and in the border radius property, we will write border radius.circular with a value of 10.0. The side property will be border side with a width of 2.0 and a color of colors.black. Now in the title property, I'm going to call the open sans widget, and in the text property, I'm gonna pass the title parameter with a size of 20.0. This title property will show the error from the Firebase authentication if it occurs. In the Actions property, we're gonna add a material button for the OK button. And in the onPressed property, we're gonna write navigator.pop so that whenever we press this button, we close the alert dialog box. The shape I am assigning to the button is a rounded rectangle border with a border radius .circular and a value of 5.0. The color will be colors.black, and the child property will have open sans with the text OK. It will also have a size of 20.0 and a color of colors.white.